All right, good morning, my little sophomores. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Um, a super easy assignment for today. Um, so you're gonna check in on Google Classroom like you always do on Mondays. Um, and then there is a self-paced Kahoot that will talk about climate change and the review for the test that we have on Wednesday when I see you guys again. So just to re-clarify, so climate change is obviously a totally a thing. And a lot of times we do things in our everyday lives that can either negatively or positively impact the environment. So if I'm, walking to school instead of taking my car, that will positively affect the environment because I am no longer putting carbon emissions out into the atmosphere. Carbon emissions are not great for our lungs, and they destroy the ozone layer and they contribute to global warming. And we already talked about the fact that global warming means that the polar ice caps melt and we get flooding, we get really severe weather, and just overall not good effects for the planet overall. Okay? But there's a lot of things that we can do to help. So we can use renewable energy, and we can recycle and just little things that we can do as humans and also like as a country and as a planet. We talked about 4 different renewable energy sources. We talked about biomass, which is like organic like material, and we get energy from that. We talked about solar energy, and that is obviously from the sun. Then we talked about hydro energy, which is obviously the word hydro means water, so the rushing of the water produces energy. And then we talked about little windmills, which harness the power of the wind, so wind energy. So all 4 of those are renewable energy sources. Okay. Conversely, or on the opposite side, we have like dirty energy sources, which are fossil fuels, which are obviously like remains of organic matter like dinosaurs. That's why we call them fossil fuels. But unfortunately, when we burn them, that contributes to some of those carbon emissions. Okay, those are not renewable. There's not an unlimited supply of those things, and they're also not really great for the environment. Coal is also another dirty source of energy. Again, burning coal, you get black stuff all in the atmosphere. It's not super great. And then natural gas. So natural gas is a little bit cleaner and renewable compared to fossil fuels and carbon, but the process of digging for the natural gas is called fracking, and fracking means that you are digging underneath stuff, and a lot of times that becomes kind of not good for the actual soil and the land that you're digging under. Okay, so that's a little bit of a review, but don't take my word for it. I would like you to actually do the self-paced Kahoot. Okay, it's gonna link you back to a Kahoot, and then I will be able to see all of your results on there. It is a quiz grade. Okay, there's a little Q there for quiz. That's a super easy quiz grade. Okay, it doesn't have to be 100%, but you should be trying it because I do want you to start doing the Monday assignments because a lot of you guys, I think, are having a hard time with that. So if you get stuck on the Kahoot stuff, obviously you can always text me or email me, or give me a call on Monday, and then I will see you guys for your test on Wednesday.